All right, working on 2016 Ford Focus, and I'm going to show you where the fuel pump control module is, the fuel pump fuse, and the fuel pump relay. If you need to do any fuel system diagnostic, you'll know where to find all these components. All right, so this is a fuel pump circuit. As you can see, this is our fuel pump here. And if we go ahead and follow these, this one's going to come over, both of these are going to come over to our fuel pump module. So you got your power and ground straight to the pump, comes over to the fuel pump module. And then we just have the two leads coming off the module. One's gonna go to the battery junction box. The other one is gonna come over here to the body control module, lower right side of dash. And part of incorporating the body control module, we have a fuel pump relay and a fuel pump fuse. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys where this is located, where we can find this fuel pump module, and also how to access this fuel pump itself. We're not necessarily going to go into the diagnostic procedure on this, but at least this information will empower you to be able to find these components and test them. Guess had this vehicle somewhere else, and they've already replaced the low pressure fuel pump and the high pressure fuel pump. So after going through and diagnosing the system, what we actually found is a bad fuel pump control module. So I'm going to show you where all those components are located. All right, for the fuel pump control module, we are going to have to remove this rear seat, and it's going to be located right behind this A-pillar. And on this, all we have to do is grab hold here and give it a nice tug. That's up. Now let's go to the service information, and I'll show you where the rest is. So on some of them, the seat actually pulls up from the front, as you can see right here. But then you just need to take this side plastic trim off. Seat belt, it looks like, and right on that A-pillar is going to be your fuel pump control module. Let's go back out to the vehicle and I'll show you the rest of the components. So the fuel pump fuse and relay are going to be located in the body control module. Body control module on this vehicle is going to be located in the right kick panel, directly under the dashboard. So this is our body control module. Now let's find the fuel pump fuse. All right, so the fuel pump fuse on this one is going to be the one all the way to the top on the left, right there, that 20 amp fuse. Now the fuel pump relay on this vehicle, unfortunately, is integrated into this body control module. So if you have a failed fuel pump relay, you're going to have to replace this whole body control module. Now let me show you where the fuel pump is. So on some of the older Ford Focuses, you can pull these seats up and you can pull the carpet up, and your fuel pump's going to be right underneath here. And there's an access panel, but unfortunately on the newer models, you cannot access this through the rear seats. So you're actually going to have to pull the gas tank. And because this vehicle has a direct injection, you're also going to have a high pressure fuel pump, which is going to be this guy right here. So the low pressure pump that's in the tank supplies fuel to the high pressure pump, which supplies fuel to the high pressure fuel injectors. Thanks for watching, guys. If it was helpful, be sure to subscribe.